Hello students, welcome back. In today's video we are going to deal with IPE March 2020 AP first year English key paper. We will begin with section B. In section B first we have question number 6. One comprehension passage is there, very inspirational story. It's about Srikanth, a visually challenged kid. Very interesting story is given here. The first question is, what did people advise the parents of Srikanth when he was born? The answer is, people advised them to get rid of the kid. The second one, what was the goal of Srikanth? His goal was to get into the Forbes list of richest persons. Third question, why did Srikanth decide to study in MIT? Answer, because he was not permitted to write IIT entrance exam as he was blind. MIT is better than IIT. Okay, the fourth one, write the antonym of permit, opposite word. So you can write any one of these: prohibit, ban, forbid, or any equivalent. Okay, now the fifth one, answer true or false. Srikanth missed a great chance because he couldn't take the joint entrance exam for IIT. No, false. The answer is false. Okay, now come to question number 7, another comprehension passage. The first question is, this passage is about digital literacy. First one, what is meant by digital literacy? Answer, digital literacy is the ability to locate, organize, understand, evaluate and create information using digital technology. So it is given at the end of the passage, directly given. Now the second question, give any 2 examples of e-services. So in the passage many are there, only 2 examples are enough: e-commerce, e-governance, e-panchayat, etc. Now the third question, which one of the following is not true? Means false statement we have to choose. A, more than half of India's population live in cities. More than half of India's population lives in rural areas and villages. Most of the Indian villages are remote and isolated. So among these 3, which one is not true? Which one is false statement? The answer is okay. Now the fourth question, what is the noun form of the word inevitable? Inevitable, noun form is inevitability. Okay. Now the fifth one, find a phrase in the passage that means the same as the word countryside. Synonym, countryside synonym is rural area. Okay. Now come to section C. Section C, grammar part. We begin with articles. Indira is dash first woman PM of India. The first woman Prime Minister of India. The dash gold of Ramagiri mines is a highly qualitative product. The gold. Next, Christians read dash Bible. The Bible. Next one, Padma is dash MLA, an MLA. Next one, we saw dash one-legged man at the gate. A one-legged man. So after blank we have consonant sound, not vowel sound. Va sound is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound. That's why A, not an. Next one, Harichandra is dash honest person. Honest, H is silent here. A sound, vowel sound. So an honest person. Now prepositions. The first one, the matter has been dealt dash with is the answer. The flat consists dash 4 rooms of 4 rooms. She goes to college dash bicycle, by bicycle. On bicycle also correct. Next one, Aditya has left dash Bangalore for Bangalore. Look dash the word in a dictionary. Look up the word, up. Booty was shared dash thieves in Gooty, among. So more than 2 means among thieves. Now verb forms based on tenses. Question number 10, the first one is, every day James dash to church goes. Second one, if you read well you dash in the exam. Pass is given here. Will pass, can pass, all are correct. Third one, while we were taking our dinner, somebody dashed the door, knock is given, knocked. So one side we have been given past continuous, so the pair is simple past tense, knocked. Next one, by this time next year we dash for results, wait is given, shall be waiting, will be waiting or shall be waiting. Okay. Now the fifth one, yesterday she dash absent, B form is given, was absent, was is the answer. Now 11th one, do as directed part. First answer is, their goals will be achieved by students, passive voice. So what is given here? Students will achieve their goals. The answer is, their goals will be achieved by students. Okay. Now second one, Sudhamurthy said, I like this generation students, indirect speech. Sudhamurthy said that she likes or liked this generation or that generation students. Okay, this or that. If it is taken as general statement, this also correct. Sudhamurthy said that she likes this generation students. Right. Now third one, Ahalya is the best student in the class, comparative degree. Ahalya is better than any other student in the class. Next, fourth one, you must work hard, you want to get a job. So combine these two with to infinitive, you must work hard to get a job. Correct. Fifth one, I am early today, question tag is aren't I. Aren't I is the question tag. Right. Correction of sentences. First one, question number 12, first one, one of my students work in Indigo Airlines, work is wrong, works. You're talking about one person, that's why works. Second one, Snehalata shop is famous for good furnitures. Furniture's wrong, furniture, singular. Third one, Godavari is the longest river in AP, the Godavari. The should be their article. Fourth one, students are prevented dash copying in the exams. Prevented from should be there. Okay, with is the wrong, prevented from is the right answer. Next one, wearing t-shirts are not permitted in our college. This is singular noun, that's why is our right answer. Wearing t-shirts is not permitted, or is wrong answer, is correct. Next, question number 13, phrasal verbs. First phrasal verb is call on. Here the meaning is visit someone with prior permission. Example, the Prime Minister will call on the President tomorrow. Any example you can give like this. Second one, put off. Put off meaning to do something at a later time. Example, I have put off talking to him because of his rude behavior. Okay. Now the third one, takes after. Takes after means to have a similar appearance, character as an older member of the family. Example, Ramcharan is a great dancer. He takes after his father. Means he is like his father. Fourth one, give up, to stop doing a regular activity. My cousin wants to give up his present business as it has been incurring huge losses. So my friend wants to give up smoking. My friend wants to give up all bad habits, like that. Any example you can write. Fifth one, come across. So what is the meaning of this phrasal verb come across? To meet someone by chance, not by choice, by chance. I came across an old school friend of mine when I was traveling in Australia. While I was crossing the road, I came across a snake. Anything you can write in this way. Sixth one, last one here, put out. Put out means to put something in a place where people will notice it. Put out a notice like that. Example, we put out some food for the migrant workers yesterday. We put out some food. Okay. Now the 14th one, silent letters. Identify the silent consonants. Debris. In debris, S is silent. Pneumonia, P is silent. Whistle, T is silent. Island, S is silent. Doctor, last R is silent. Debut, T silent. Parts of speech. Next question, 15th one, parts of speech. Gracefully, adverb. Ly word is given. Deer, animal. Noun. But, conjunction. Speak, action word, verb. You, pronoun, second person pronoun. Wow, interjection. Okay, now come to the 16th one. Match the following. Bestow. Bestow means to give something as an honor. F. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from illness or any loss. B is the right answer. Swerve means to change direction suddenly. To change direction suddenly. E. Tempest, a violent windy storm. C. Amputate means to cut off somebody's arm, leg, finger in a medical operation. D. Wobble means to shake or move from side to side. A. Now what are the answers? F, B, E, C, D, A. Now come to the 17th question, question number 17. So here transcoding information, internal choice is there. First one, I can show the first one here. So a small paragraph is given, we have to convert it into pie chart. So heading, various types of source of irrigation. So we have to draw the pie chart and divide it into various sectors like this. The first one is well and tube well irrigation, 61% major share. Second place goes to canal irrigation, 29%, and third and fourth lift irrigation, 5%, and tank irrigation also 5%. Okay. 17th question, B part, transcoding information. Second part, convert the following bar graph into a paragraph. So one bar graph is given which shows the pass percentage of students of a school or college. So you can write in this way, the given bar graph, only one paragraph we have to write. The given bar graph tells about the pass percentage of students of a college. In 2010 and 11 the pass percentage is 80%. In 2011 and 12 academic year, so the pass percentage has been raised little bit, so it is 90%, sorry 85%. The next academic year the pass percentage is maximum 100%. In this way we have to describe all the bars. Okay, only one paragraph we have to write, don't write point wise. Okay, now 18th one is phonetics. The first one is amputate, second one emission, third one dynamic, fourth one blood, fifth one student, sixth one mobile, seventh one child, eighth one character, ninth one is citizen, 10th one is magistrate. Question number 18, B part, odd sounds. First one, university, universal, understand. Answer is understand. Second one, pile, pill, pin. Odd sound answer is pile. Third one, orange, orator, own. Answer is own. Fourth one, leather, truth, father. Answer is truth. Fifth one, shop, success, surgeon. Answer is shop. Now question number 19, syllable division. First one, security, 4 syllables. You can write polysyllabic word also. Second one, remarkable, 3 syllables, trisyllabic word. Adventure, 3 syllables, or you can write trisyllabic word also. Fourth one, vulnerability, polysyllabic word. Humanitarian, polysyllabic word. Emission, trisyllabic word. Today, disyllabic word. Beautiful, trisyllabic. Administration, polysyllabic word. In, only 1 syllable. You can write monosyllabic word also. Now the last question, complete the following dialogue. This is about 2 friends, so who are very hungry, and one wants to go for fast food restaurant and the other is forbidding him, so he is stopping him from going to the fast food restaurant. and he is giving all the instructions about the ill effects, harmful effects of fast food. So the first one is, I am very dash RE2, I am very hungry. Now the second one, I know but the doctor forbids me to eat fast food. The second, in the blank we have to write fast food. Third one, fast food is a major risk factor of heart diseases. It has high dash, high calories, high added sugars, high cholesterol. Any meaningful word you can write. Now the last one, I just knew it, so we had better eat healthy food or homemade food. Okay, you can write in this way. Okay friends, that's the end of the paper. Hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.